It's Wednesday afternoon, about 4 o'clock, and I see that the lawn is going to need mowing again, and maybe 1 or 2 more times mowing this year will take care of it. Karen picked all the apples off the tree, off of our buttercup tree here, and we gave a lot of apples away to friends of ours that make apple juice out of them, and we have a couple of cases yet. I'll be making apple butter, and Karen will be using them to make pies. This is our little Spanish almond tree. Those are our raspberries here, but unfortunately my little rack that I built to support the raspberries is falling apart, or probably I hit it with the lawnmower a couple times. Having more trouble than usual walking because I have to wear sandals because my foot is still swollen from my accident. Got some work going on here. Karen and a friend are putting up our fence, and that's what I'm bringing you out here for today, to see our new fence. And some of you who watch my Facebook page know Hallgrim was interested in the neighbor's robotic lawnmower. And we don't think it's such a good idea for him to go visit it. And it might not be a good idea for him, and it might not be a good idea for the robot. So we're putting up a fence. And if I can get through here. So here's the fence and the fence builders. It's about 100 feet long, the whole fence. Let's see if we can go out here a little bit. There you get a bit of a view of it. It's a steel fence made in mats that are fastened between these poles. And we drilled the holes 60 centimeters deep, about 20 centimeters in diameter, 20 to 30 centimeters in diameter. And the posts go in the holes. And that's where the accident happened. We rented a post hole digger, post hole drill, and it escaped our grip and hit me in the leg, so that I had to have stitches, and it's healing very slowly. The holes, so it's the cement in them. Matthias is bolting the mats onto the posts there. And they're preparing the next hole for cement. Karen She will be mixing the cement. Let's see. The hole is about 60 centimeters deep. And you can see how straight the fence is. They've done a very good job of putting it up. Use this level here in front of us. It has magnets on it, holds onto the post and measures both directions, X and Y. Ist das der letzte Sack?
Ja, einer im Auto.
Achso.
Ist noch ein voller, ist jetzt noch drunter.
Achso. Naja, die kann man aufheben. Also ein Fundament für Hallgrims Hundehüte machen.
Hat eine große Hundehütte da.
Dann kannst du mal den Handschuh holen.
Wo?